Good morning, y'all. So today is Thursday. I'm on my way to work. I have one client today, but it is literally a snowstorm out here. It's not as bad as it was supposed to be. We probably got about an inch, and we're supposed to get like 5. So I feel like we dodged the bullet. I am not complaining at all. Like, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the little bit of snow we did get, and I am definitely happy we did not get what was expected, because I hate driving in the snow. I would do the cold over the snow all day long. Give me cold. At least the roads are good. So I just made it to work. It is still snowing, and I literally went and sat at the gas station for like 15 minutes hoping that they would plow our parking lot, but they still have not came and plowed our parking lot, and the only thing open in our area is the tanning spot. So they've already had like clients this morning, so it's kind of like indentations of where the clients have been parking and like pulling out and driving. So I'm literally parked in front of the tanning spot, and I think they're going to be mad at me because their clients are going to have to park in the snow and walk a little bit farther, because they have parking right like facing their store. So usually you could just park and walk in, but yeah, I took one of those parking spots today because my car doesn't have 4-wheel drive, and I'm not trying to be stuck here. I don't have time to be stuck today. So yeah, it is what it is. But I'm just sitting here waiting for my client to come. I got about like 10 minutes left before he should be here. Everybody's flying through it, but I don't know. I just don't want to get stuck. I feel like my tires are not the best. Every time I pull up to the service people, I think I'm like on a 6 and a 7 at some tires. And I think once you get to like a 4 or 5, they're like not the best. So I don't know. Sometimes when I be trying to go, I don't be going. But I feel like I can get one more year out of these tires, because this is only the second winter I've had. Is it? Yeah, this is... Okay, this will be the 3rd winter I've had my car. So if they make it through this winter, I feel like that's good. But they're just like the stock base tires. Probably definitely not winter tires. So I'll definitely replace them next year. Before I had this SUV, I had like a little old Pontiac. And when I tell you I miss my Pontiac, because it was so heavy. It was 4-wheel drive. It was like a 8-cylinder. And I don't know, even though it was an old car, it was just a really good car, and it got through the snow. This little thing, I'll be feeling like I'm about to blow off the dang road. Like, how do you buy a truck? It's not 4-wheel drive, which, my bad, I just assumed it's a truck. All of them are 4-wheel drive. My boyfriend like, I thought you knew that. We kind of discussed that. Like, you weren't listening. And I'm like, I probably wasn't. Because when you asked me what I wanted in a car, I was telling you like the things I wanted, not the things I needed. 4-wheel drive in Minnesota is needed. You should know I need that, my man. But yeah, I don't listen. So hey, why would you tell me anything to not listen? I want to trade this car in for that reason, but I'm almost done paying this car off. So I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to walk into this job. and get my day started. So the snowplow people finally made it.
Yeah, because the weather, I was kind of like, oh, this weather's going to be not great.
Yeah, I was like, man, because sometimes, like, if we get really bad snow, there's no way I can make it.
Right.
Always, like, the last people to get done.
Yeah.
And there's no way I can, like, make it out.
Yeah.
Like, last year I got stuck.
Wow. Trying to get out?
Trying to get out the circle. Because even if we plow, you know, our driveway, it's the circle you got to get through.
Yeah.
It looks like this, like the parking lot, but then it's 10 times worse.
Right.
And then you have to get through the outside to make it through the main street, which is, you know, typically plowed.